Hey guys, this is Chris from Throdle. I got my good friend here, Ray DeGuzman.
Roy.
Hi guys, this is Chris from Throdle. I got my good friend here, Roy DeGuzman, and this is his 72 Hakosuka Skyline.
Hakosuka.
Hako Skyline. Me and Roy, we've been friends for many years now, and he's pretty much my go-to JDM car expert guy. So anytime I have a question or something, he's the first one to actually answer. When I first got my Nissan Pal, he knew more about it than anybody ever met. So no, tell us about this thing.
Well, I was stationed, I was in the military, and I got stationed in Japan in 2004. And I had two MR2s before I left. I sold one of them. And when I got there, I used that money to buy an R33 GTST.
Which you can import now.
Which you can import now, yeah. Well, mine was a 97, so not that one.
You'll probably end up with the you can end up with the R33 someday, aren't you?
If it's in the cards, but right now, they just put it to that.
And how much, just to kind of...
I'm not going to say how much I got it for.
How much do ones like this go for now?
Now, it's all depending on condition. I've heard of prices as low as 60, as high as over 100.
Yeah.
If it's a real GTR, it's not unheard of for it to go to 300, 400.
I consider the history with this one, you're probably more on the higher of that spectrum.
Something's only as worth as someone wants to pay for it.
Correct. So, do you want us to walk around the car a little bit?
Sure. It's in a traditional almond white. It's got the GTR grille and headlight ring bezels, but I changed this. This goes back to my VW days. That emblem says Street Machine.
So this being a clone, what was this before then technically?
This was a standard Skyline 2000 GT. There's a fiberglass hood, Sebring mirrors, clear side markers from Wutaketsu. The wheels are Inky. Well, they're made by Inky, but they were marketed as Colin Cross Fevers or Cross Fever, depending on who you talk to. The exhaust is a period correct trussed exhaust for this car, although it has been modified for clearance, so it's not completely original anymore.
Okay. And then
GTR taillights, GT Kai badge.
GT Kai, what's that?
GT Kai.
What's Kai? So what's that badge mean?
The Kai symbol, because everybody tries to make their the Skyline starter kit is the taillights, the grille, the wing, the front lip, and that badge.
Oh, okay.
Right? But I don't want the GTR badge because it's not a GTR. So somebody created that one. The Kai means, if you had your car modified in Japan, on the title, they would put the Kai symbol to denote that the car has been modified so you can keep it on your title.
That makes sense.
So this is a modified GT Skyline.
Copy.
I guess I'll let it out the bag for yours. The taillights are from a mail truck.
What?
Yeah. They're mailman LED taillights that fit perfectly in there.
So the US mail trucks?
US, you can get them on eBay.
Those are still right-hand drive, so you're still good.
They're still right-hand drive, I guess you could say.
Garage
Kutsumi is who I bought the car from.
But the last Japanese Classic Car Show, didn't you win first place for this?
Yeah.
So
I won first place for Best Skyline.
Trust me, he went Skylines in the US. If they're here, they're usually done up already. So yeah, congratulations on that.
Oh yeah. It was an honor being nominated.
And this car's also been in SEMA as well too.
Yes.
But you want to tell us a little about the interior?
The interior has a replica Datsun Sport seat, I think. Sport comp seat. Classic Momo steering wheel. There's no shift knob, Razzo pedals, belt harnesses, little Kenwood deck. There's some little GTR tidbits. There's little delete plates over here, are GTR spec, and this little delete plate here for the radio is GTR spec. But they're replicas because they can't be. They're reproductions made in Japan. And then a big old honkin' 5-inch tack from Autometer.
Yeah, of course.
In Japan, it's cool to have American stuff on your Japanese car.
Because in Japan, if you have a left-hand drive car, That's actually a status thing now, ain't it?
Nah, they just think you're lame.
Oh.
No, it's it's all who you hang out with. Of course, it can be a status.
Yeah. Do you want to go ahead and pop the hood?
Oh yeah, pop the hood.
Go ahead, pop the hood. It's Fast and Furious tagline.
It's an L28.
Now this wasn't the original engine in this car, right?
No, absolutely not. The original engine was an inline 2-liter with the dual SU carbs. This is a 2.8 taken out of probably a Cedric or a 280ZX.
Okay.
I do know it's a turbo block with the high flow head. It's got a SK intake manifold, 44 millimeter Solex carbs, and MSD 6AL ignition.
Yes.
Pretty basic.
No, gets the job done, but probably what?
Gets the job done.
Well, how many horses do you think?
Maybe 200.
All right, guys. Well, Roy, thanks for showing us your car.
Yeah, no problem.
And if you guys want to follow Roy on Instagram, what's your Instagram tag?
Roy's Hakosuka.
And guys, don't forget to follow us at Throdle. Don't forget to follow me at token_pal. Check out the website, which is going to be somewhere around here. Don't forget the app's going to be out soon. And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel where this video is going to be living at. So subscribe, click, hit the bell, whatever other widgets you can find on that screen. All right, thanks.
All right, cool.
Bye.